I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Open the Xbox app on Windows and join the Xbox party from your PC. In OBS, add a window capture or desktop audio source to capture the Xbox app sound. In Windows sound settings, set the Xbox app as the default communication device, so chat is recognized. In OBS, go to Settings, then Audio, and set sample rate to 48 kHz for consistent sync. Enable audio monitoring for the desktop audio source so you hear party chat live. Record or stream normally with the desktop audio track capturing party voice. Use an HDMI capture card if you prefer capturing party chat from console gameplay. Connect Xbox HDMI to the capture card, then connect capture card to your PC via USB. In OBS, add the capture card as a video capture device and enable its audio track for recording. If your controller chat does not travel over HDMI, connect a 3.5mm controller cable or mix amp to the capture input on the capture card. In OBS, set sample rate to 48 kHz and enable audio monitoring to confirm chat is audible. Adjust level. If you have a USB audio interface or a mix amp, route controller chat directly into your PC. Plug controller headset or optical adapter into the interface, then connect the interface to the PC via USB. In OBS, add the interface as an audio input capture and enable separate audio tracks for chat and game. Set OBS audio sample rate to 48 kHz to match common interface settings and avoid drift. Use audio monitoring to check levels and adjust the interface gain to prevent clipping. When streaming, assign chat to its own track so you can mix or mute in post.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.